Welcome to the channel Car Vibes. Today we are taking a journey back in time to review one of the classics that has left a lasting mark in the American automotive world, the 1970 Chevy Crew. This truck was built during an era when Chevrolet was at the top of its game, producing vehicles that were not only reliable and practical, but also full of style and character. The 1970 Chevy Crew was more than just a workhorse. It was a symbol of strength, versatility, and rugged American design. Let's take a closer look at the exterior styling that gave it such a commanding presence, the interior that balanced function with comfort, the performance that made it such a dependable truck, and the prices these trucks fetch today in the classic car market. On the outside, the 1970 Chevy Crew embodied the tough and bold styling that defined trucks of its era. Its exterior design was simple yet muscular, with squared-off body lines and a sturdy frame that immediately conveyed durability. The front end featured a wide chrome grille with dual headlights on each side, giving a strong and recognizable face on the road. The hood was flat and long, adding to the truck's imposing stance. The body panels were clean and straightforward, without unnecessary curves, which reflected the practical nature of trucks from that time. The crew cab made it especially appealing, offering more space for passengers while maintaining the utility of a pickup. Chrome bumpers, polished trim accents, and steel wheels added subtle touches of style, while the bed was built with durability in mind. Capable of handling heavy loads whether for farm work, construction, or family hauling. Its rugged presence and timeless design remain appealing even today, standing as a reminder of the golden age of American pickups. Stepping inside, the interior of the 1970 Chevy Crew was a mix of utility and modest comfort. Trucks of that era weren't known for luxury, but Chevrolet managed to create a cabin that was functional and welcoming. The crew cab allowed for extra seating, which was a major advantage for families or work crews who needed more space. The bench seats were simple but sturdy, upholstered in vinyl or cloth, designed to handle years of use. The dashboard was straightforward, featuring large and easy-to-read gauges that provided essential information like speed, fuel level, and engine temperature. Controls were manual and basic, from the window cranks to the ventilation levers, but their simplicity meant durability and ease of repair. Storage compartments were minimal, but the spaciousness of the cab made up for it. While it lacked the high-tech features of today's trucks, the interior had a charm rooted in its straightforwardness and rugged practicality. It was a space where function came first, yet it still offered enough comfort to make long drives manageable. Under the hood, the 1970 Chevy Crew offered a range of engine options that gave buyers flexibility depending on their needs. Inline six-cylinder engines provided a reliable choice for those prioritizing durability and economy, while small block and big block V8 engines delivered more power for heavy-duty work and towing. These V8s gave the truck the muscle it needed to perform both on the job site and on the open road. Power was sent to the rear wheels through manual or automatic transmissions, with some models offering four-wheel drive for added capability in rough conditions. Performance in a modern sense wasn't about speed, but about torque, hauling ability, and reliability. And in those areas, the Chevy Crew excelled. Its suspension was built tough to handle heavy loads, while still offering a reasonably smooth ride for a truck of its time. The braking and steering systems were basic compared to today's standards, but they were dependable and easy to maintain. The result was a truck that could take on hard work every day and still keep going strong for years. Today, the value of a 1970 Chevy Crew depends heavily on condition, originality, and rarity. Trucks in rough, unrestored condition can be found at more affordable prices, often ranging from $15,000 to $20,000, making them appealing to enthusiasts looking for a restoration project. Well-maintained or partially restored examples typically command higher prices, often the $30,000 to $40,000 range. Fully restored, show-quality models can climb even higher, reaching $50,000 or more depending on the specifics of the build and originality of the parts. Collectors and truck enthusiasts value these models not only for their functionality, but also for their classic styling and historical significance. Unlike modern trucks packed with electronics, the simplicity of the 1970 Chevy Crew makes it easier to maintain and customize, which adds to the appeal among classic car lovers. In conclusion, the 1970 Chevy Crew is a truck that perfectly represents the balance of rugged utility and straightforward design from its era. Its exterior showcases timeless American styling. Its interior is a practical and comfortable space that prioritizes durability. Its engine choices deliver dependable performance suited for work and play, and its current market value reflects both its practicality and collectible appeal. It is a vehicle that continues to resonate with enthusiasts who appreciate classic trucks for their honesty, strength, and charm. The Chevy Crew stands as a reminder of a time when vehicles were built tough and simple, yet still managed to carry an unmistakable sense of character that endures decades later.